So many people ask me, why am I not planting fake grass or the man-made grass? I'm not sure about you guys, but those of you who have gardens, let me tell you one thing. When you water your grass, they will send out a smell, a very nice grassy smell. The smell that the smell of rain, you know, when people say the smell of rain, that's the smell that your grass release out, as if saying thank you to you when you water them. I kid you not. This is something that your artificial grass won't be able to give you. So the grass that I planted on my garden is cow grass. Earlier on it was those Philippine carpet grass, but those grass look good on pictures, but they are very hard to maintain and they don't last. And yeah. Papa help, come. You're stuck, huh? Oh, what happened? Okay. I told you don't wear your slippers. It's very wet, very slippery now. Mei, what are you doing? You're making a?
I'm
Making a what? Pizza.
Give me a bread.
Ethan, show me what you just made just now.
I made this boy.
See? Wow. Is that our pizza? Later we'll put it into the oven, right? Okay. Okay, darling. Enough? Okay, next step. No, press it. Okay. Put it on your plate.
Wow.
Okay, now mommy pass you the knife. Why you eat now? Okay, you put the pasta sauce first, darling. Ethan, come. Your turn. Come over here.
No. May me help you?
No. 你查你的，宝宝查。Okay. 你要自己切啊
I don't know, but I try.
You hold the camera for me. I cut for you. Come.
Don't worry.
I cut for you.
Let me try.
No, mommy.
I bet you.
Look at you. Come here. Come next to me, Ethan. Come. See what you just did. Mommy, come. See what Ethan did.
Yeah.
Oh,
I told you. I cut for you, right?
Okay, maybe get more.
No, it's okay.
Mommy, this is
Huh?
spaghetti?
Yes.
Wow.
Okay, after this you put this. Put the sausage.
No, I cut for you.
Okay, put sausage,
See,
right?
you all eat bread, daddy eat skin.
No. Put sausage.
Later I'll do.
A skin potato.
No, bread pudding. You can do bread pudding with the skin. Mommy?
Gross. I
Okay.
don't like pudding.
Okay,
Can I
Ethan,
have deer
you
for
roll.
you?
You roll this. You roll this, mommy.
Okay,
See?
put some cheese.
Steady.
Okay. Roll nicely. Okay.
Okay.
Take it over to your plate. Go away. Mommy, this is for you.
This is not Mama's piece. Put that in the.
This is
I
for
don't know
you,
what
mommy.
it tastes like. Let me mix.
Okay. Wow, we made a pizza. Okay.
Bon appetit.
Done.
I done. You finished. Haha. Stop being so selfish and mean. These crab system. Can I eat? Bruh. Give me some cheese.
Okay, pause.
Wait, don't pause.
Oh.
This is for you. Mommy, this one is for you.
Okay, thank you. You can hey. I'll give you more.
Bon appetit. I want bon appetit. Okay, enough. Enough. Cheese. Me.
Wait.
cheese for me, Pan.
Okay.
Mommy.
You want more? Okay.
Mom, can I know?
打只有了。
Mommy, can I make a pizza sandwich? Mama. I want to make a pizza sandwich. Mommy,
专心啊！
Mommy, 我可以把这个放在上面吗？
你让我看，让我看。
妈妈，就把这个东西放在上面吗？
不是现在eat 了没？
No, 妹妹 not now, not now. You have to put into the oven. 还没有 cook 的，妹妹 put into oven.
啊
Cheese.
Why you eat rotten food? Why you eat rotten?
Not yet. Darling, wait.
Now I'm just
Wait.
Oh, the patty. Oh, the patty.
哇，你真的放这里啊？妹妹。Mommy, this one is for you. Love shape.
Thank you. Well, take a bit. Take.
下来了，darling. No, we go to the oven. Put it into the oven. It's not cooked yet. Okay, okay, okay. You take a chair. Take a chair. Yes, you take a chair. 记得走开，走开，走开，走开。Yes, 妹妹 you go and take a chair. Darling, you take a chair. I'll let you do it. Good job, 妹妹 good job. Put on top, put on top. Good job.
Okay.
Okay.
Go away.
Ooh, and the red skin is here. Waiting for it to heat up. Yeah, 没有买到那咖啡锅。Ooh, my love for you.
Thank you.
Hi, mommy. And then, is that how they do it?
I think so.
这样快吗？还没有按好了。哦，OK。这样肥的。
不是，我还要弄的。
哦，OK，OK。All right. Good luck.
过来先。
Ooh. 哇，油條妹，靚靚油條嚟，curly sausage，靚女油條。This is, 老婆 this is how I wake up in the morning. Round 2. Fail. Totally fail. Was talking outside and then, oh shit, I forgot. Yeah. Anyway, still have this. And today our dinner is banh mi. Wow. Oh my. Hello.
Yes.
My talented chef. Wow. Yes. Fried our own anchovies. Okay lah, after this open restaurant lah. homemade pan mee by my wife. So good. Bouncy, bouncy. Doink, doink. Oh, and the best companion for pan mee. Li Lao Bu chili. Serious, serious. Fantastic chili.
Chili?
Chili?
I thought I could be chili. Yeah.
Later you see me do the. So I don't have the roller, but I have this tumbler from Porsche. Thank you, Porsche. Why is it sticking up? No. Go away. Oh, got Porsche logo some. Do not stick together. Social distancing, you all know or not? Huh? Why you stick together like that? Don't stick to my Porsche tumbler. Social distance. Where do I start? Look at the straight line. You know I'm a pro here. Nice. Why are you shy?
Just pause.
Wow, seriously. I believe I can do this. Okay? Let me show you how a Chinese mee master. You don't know one. Yeah, don't know. Now, noodle. This is noodle also. Come on. My udon noodle. Oh yeah, where's my dick? Oh, the dick has expired. Oh, the dick, another dick. Where is the dick? Where is the dick? Where is the dick? No. Darling, you want this? Huh? You want this tonight?
I don't want.
Aww. Aww.
Okay lah.
Okay. Ooh, another. Another one. Wah, apa ni? Okay, time to makan.
One more time. Okay. 这里看视频。来。哦。Okay, ready?